A good thing to do when you're looking for a fault, especially like in this case where it ain't got circuit, is to just have a look at board and see if you can find out, see if there's out that looks burnt, or any capacitors that are like leaking or bulging, or anything that's broken or all like that. So I'm going to do that. There's these two screws here. That pulls out like that. I'll give them a clean as well. And it slides out. And I took this out. That's hooked on there. Have a look. It looks a bit black down here. This is power supply, so it might just be that it runs quite hot. Yeah, down in there it looks a bit dark. It's like blackened around this diode. I've just lifted board up so I can get to these components to test them a bit better without that heatsink being in the way. And look what I've found. Look at that. You see that? That joint's completely cracked. These ones don't look too clever. That one's got a crack in it. These joints are all knackered. So, and this is round this bit where it's a bit black. That'll be something. That might be something to do with it. V centre here. Height. Where's that control? Over to there. Looks like this is the sort of vertical deflection area at board. I'll test these components. That dial looks alright. Not sure about that one, it measured the same both ways, but I could be measuring something else. 1.5 100 ohms. So R442 1 ohm. Yeah, that were about right, wasn't it? R433. That's 4.7. That's right. Try this diode. That looks about right. And this one. .2. It's got a voltage drop of 1.28. That diode. That's like two diodes. That one's open. And it's D401's measuring open. D403 measuring like two diodes. And this is that diode that's measuring open. That there. And that one that's measuring as two diodes. You can't really see it, but it's like the same sort of package. I don't know if it's the same colour. And that one's green. That one's black, I think. Is it black? Looks black. SV, that's what it says on it. I'll have to see if I can find any information about it. In the meantime, I'll re-solder them joints. I've touched up them joints, them dry joints, and I've took this diode out, that one that we're measuring open circuit, to test it. Diode 2.57 volt, forward voltage. It's like 3 diodes in it, is it? Or 4 diodes in a row. But presumably that's like what it's supposed to be. I'll see if I can find any information about them. I found out a bit about them. I found an article about this, like a fault report about this chassis in Television magazine, and it mentions that other diode that looks like this, SVO2. So look that up. That's what it's called there, SVO2. I looked that up, but I couldn't find out about that. But I found out about an SVO3, an SVO4 on another website. And SVO4 looked like this green thing, and it were like 4 diodes in series. It's like 4 diodes in one package. Like a bit of a needle off a Christmas tree, that. Wonder what year that's from, what Christmas that fell off at tree. I'll put this back in, and I think I might fire it up again and give it a go. See if that's made any difference. Right, I'll turn it on, see what happens. It's still compressed. Might have to see about getting the schematic for it.